With James? What's the vibe between you?
I don't think he's strict. He's pretty cool. He's pretty chill.
Kasi Daddy was very cool. Okay, ganito. Kasi ako, sino hindi pa nakakapanood ng TVC? Meron pa ba? Naku, kung lagyan na iwan. Pero dun sa mga hindi pa.
Hindi, gusto naman nila makita.
Oo, kasi hindi pa nakapanood itong commercial na to. And of course, hearing from James and Nadine how much fun they had shooting the TVC. Ito na, mapapanood natin. And made for a digital commercial. Here is James and Nadine and her dad for cheesy bacon and mushroom yum.
Let's watch this.
Energy kami dyan. Wala space eh. Ayaw ni Boton yan.
Sharing the same bottle?
Sige ka. Sige, favorite namin ni Papa ha.
Hello, Pop. Cheesy bacon mushroom yan. Special po ngayon eh. Yo, may taste ka.
Grabe. Natural si Daddy.
Yes! Alam mo, sabi ko kay James, I laugh every time I see this commercial. Sabi ko, kasi yung mga ibang maliligaw, wala, sobrang nakakatawa, sobrang comedy yung dad ko na hindi ko in-expect na ganun siya.
Siya, natural na natural. Si James,
Yeah.
very smart. Brings one for everybody. Very smart, always bringing a cheesy bacon mushroom yum.
Yeah.
Was that the secret weapon, James, to get into the house and to be with the dean?
It's the key to, actually it's the key to our father's heart.
Yes.
Our stomach.
Yeah, through his stomach. Okay. Well, we all see that your father is a natural actor and parang natural na natural. First strict, pero I guess he also trusts you, James, with Nadine. And I know when this commercial came out, this even trended when it launched online. Riza, I know we were talking about this earlier. Riza, di ba, nag-trending online.
Trending online
yung commercial
talaga.
nito.
Pero syempre, there are hardworking men and women behind that very, very good TVC for Jollibee that made that possible at kasama natin sila. Guys, please welcome from Jollibee, of course, their senior brand manager for snacks is with us, Miss Ina Jimenez. Hi, Ina! Miss Ina, dito kasamahan mo nga ako, please. Si Miss Ina. Tatanungin din natin, syempre, makikipag-chisyo. Oh, sige, upo na lang si Madam. Naging 6 feet tall si Madam bigla. Okay, how was it like to be working with James and Nadine na perfect to represent, of course, cheesy bacon mushroom yum for Jollibee? Of course, well, for Nadine, this is the second time actually that we worked with her, no? The first campaign of Jollibee Cheesy Bacon Mushroom Yum kasi was done last year. And as always, si Nadine po, madali siyang katrabaho. She's very easy to work with. Yung atmosphere namin sa set is very light. No? And now that James is with us, no, it's the same thing, it's the same working experience. I think the chemistry that you all see and the fact that they work well together help us, the brand team, capture the extra special moments that we wanted to see from the commercial. And they're both very professionals, and at such a young age, they are serious with their craft. So we're very happy about it. And they were very happy too. Ang sabi po nila, this project is also helping them reach more out to their fans. Katulad na lang event na ito po. Actually, the Fans Day, this extra special Fans Day, happy sila. This is just the beginning. For all the JV fans, please expect more exciting things from Jollibee, and of course from Cheesy Bacon Mushroom Yum. We are looking forward to working with James and Nadine for more projects. Diba?
May part 3 yung commercial.
We hope that you will continue to support Jollibee, and of course JD, and of course Cheesy Bacon Mushroom Yum. Thank you very much. Oh, big hands to Miss Ina. Salamat po. Boom. A lot to expect, more to come.
Oh, I want to see the continuing story. If there will be a continuing story, we will see. Abangan niyo po yan. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you, Riza. We're really excited to see more of what you have in store for JD and sharing your extra special moments with Cheesy Bacon Mushroom Yum. But aside from that, James and Nadine, what else can we expect from the tandem?
Marami. I mean, James just launched his new album.
Read Alert?
Yes. Read Alert, yeah. And my album as well. It's
Yes.
still available. Medyo matagal na siyang out, but it's still available in the market, and it's also available for download sa iTunes. And we have a new soap. I think we'll start shooting April next month. It's called On the Wings of Love. And of course, ang pinaka-inaabangan nating lahat, ang para sa Hopeless Romantic. I'm sure matagal na nang inaabangan yan. Kami rin, and we hope na you're really excited na for it. Kasi super as in.
Very, very excited na kami Nadine. Pero, can you tell us more about it? Kung ano pa? Kasi sobrang hindi na makaintay yung mga tao para sa Hopeless Romantic.
Yes, well, kasi yung para sa Hopeless Romantic, well, based on the title, para siya sa Hopeless Romantic, so makaka-relate dito marami. Yung mga heartbroken, yung mga iniwan, yung mga balikan.
Alright!
Ano talaga siya? May kirot siya. But then, ano siya mix siya. Kikiligin ka, pero parang medyo ma-heartbreak ka din ng, ano ka rin, parang kikirot din ng konti at the same time.
Pero, teaser lang. Totoo ba na may part dito na Jollibee crew kayo? Parang gano'n?
Yes, ako.
okay.
True, dito. Si Becca.
How's that experience?
Super saya, super fun. Wala lang nakakatawa kasi we were, parang 2 days yata, 1 day. 1 day lang.
Okay.
Nag-shooting kami sa Jollibee for 1 day. It was really fun.
Saya. Okay.
Yes.
So, ito ang treat para sa mga fans natin dyan. Because what we have is the official trailer. Excited na ba kayo? Alright, everyone's eyes at the screen and let's watch it.
Love makes the world go round. Out there, meron daw someone na may feeling.
Siya si Becca, romantic.
Ano sa Japanese? Ang pangit ko, mukha mo. Maganda ka nga.
Siya si Nico, ang kanyang Prince Charming.
Love you times infinity.
Pero paano kung ang kanilang love story hindi happy ending?
Break na tayo. Ayoko na. Dati yun. Pwede magbago.
Para maging happy, gumawa ng sariling love story.
Ang buhay nila ay buhay ko. Ito ang kwento ko. Kumapit ka tayo. Baka malaglag ka.
Hindi ko na kailangan kumapit. Nahulog na naman ako eh. Nahulog na ako sa'yo.
Ano sabi mo?
Makikita mo pa ba ang iyong happy ending?
Pwede mo bang ilipink yung ending ng story mo? Masyadong malungkot eh.
Huwag kang umasa sa happy ending.
Hindi pa happy.
Huwag mo na paglaro ng feelings ko.
Tracy Lynn, Emilio Pascual, and Julia Barreto at James Reid and ito ang kanilang kwento. Ito ang mga kwento para sa Hopeless Romantic.
Wow! Kirot! Kirot to.
Trailer pa lang, pero gusto ko naman.
And that's coming out when? Sorry.
May 13.
Malapit na.
Malapit na.
Cannot come any sooner for the fans
Yes.
of JD.
Now, speaking of fans,
Yes.
meron akong mga kasama dito na meron mga questions for James and Nadine.
Ito na yung pagkakataon.
Ultimate chance. So, first to join me is,
Sige tayo.
Sweetheart, what's your name?
Logalides. Yes. I have question. Siyempre kinilig tayo kanina, but I want to know what's the difference between yung different nung mga nauna nyo, The Diary and The Talkback, compare with this one, The Hopeless. Sobrang kilig ba to? Sobrang hugot ba to?
Ito po super hugot siya. Kasi ano ang story kasi dito, parang yung character ko si Becca, hindi siya makamove on. And based on Marcelo, it's a true story daw talaga. Yung characters namin ni James dito, meron talaga in real life.
Okay.
Meron talaga, it's based on a true story talaga.
Okay.
Everything. Tapos yun nga, yung DNP kasi and Talkback, though, yes, merong mga issues or problems na content sa story. Mas more on good kasi siya. Parang mas nakaka-good vibe siya.
Okay,
Kasi
okay.
talagang, ang sakit, ang
Oh.
sakit. Parang ganun yung mafe-feel mo.
Also, the characters are really, really different. Like,
Yeah.
even opposite from the last
From the
Yours is very opposite.
Very opposite from the last 2 movies we did. So,
Which is
JD and like you've never seen before.
which is good, ano? You get to showcase different sides, different characters
Nice.
of James Reid.
At gusto ko yan, it's JD like you've never seen.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Flo.
Thank you.
We
Okay.
have another question. Hi, sir. Tell us your name.
Hi, I'm Ted Claudio of WhatsApp.ph. Question ko lang kay James at kay Nadine, but most probably especially for James. So during nag-shoot kayo nung TV commercial and also nung Hopeless Romantic, madalas nandun si Daddy, di ba? So kanina nasabi mo na very cool siya. So paano mo nasabing cool? Can you cite some sort of moments with his dad during the o nakuha na ba sa pagbibigay ng ng cheesy mushroom bacon burger?
Kasama na yun, sigurado. Paano naging cool?
He's not like in the commercial. He's really strict. And he's so cold and mean. But in person, he's really nice. And he's like, I don't know, he seems like a cool dad.
My dad kasi is very chill and mahilig siyang mag-joke around. Sa commercial, makikita mo yung super strict side niya, na meron naman talaga siya.
Right.
But then he's strict lang when he has to be.
So that made it easier for you, I suppose, because he had that cool side. So it was easier for you. So, okay. Alright.
Thank you.
At kasama rin yung Jollibee ron.
Question number 3. Meron pa tayo. Hello.
Mga vloggers, no? Kasama rin natin.
Hi, I'm Ryan. My question is, since you already have store visits, tapos extra special fans day, what other exciting things do we expect from you as Jollibee ambassadors?
Well, I think si Miss Ina, Nadine is saying, Miss Ina answered no, kanina, but the plans in terms of them being ambassadors daw. Si Miss Ina ang nakakalam dahil they're also going to be surprised with what they're going to do for Jollibee. But right now, they're concentrating on itong campaign na to.
Thank you.
Pero abangan niyo yan,
Pero
always look
promise
out.
na there's more to
There's
come.
more, there's
Tignan
more.
mo, for Jollibee to be actually part of the movie, yung
Right.
character ni Nadine, that's a first.
So you know this is an ongoing relationship that will see strengthen. Okay.
Okay, joining me is...
Hi, I'm Marjorie of Fluent Digital. I'm a blogger. My question goes for both of you. Aside from the cheesy bacon, mushroom yum, what other Jollibee favorites?
My favorite, I really like the honey glazed, the honey glazed chicken.
The honey glazed chicken. I grew up with the spaghetti.
Yes!
Who doesn't love
Oh, sorry,
spaghetti,
nag-react ako.
diba? And I grew up with it talaga ever since I was a little girl.
Yeah. I agree.
And the Jolly Hot Dog and the Peach Mango Pie.
Yes.
Everything na.
High five, high
Mix
five.
is lahat.
High five.
Thank you po. Salamat po.
Nakita nga ni Risa eh, nakadalawang spaghetti ako bago tayo lumabas.
Pati yung spaghetti nung kasama po na.
Sorry.
At yung chicken joy nung kasama na.
Kinain ko na, pasensya.
Hi sir, what's your
Sarap
name?
Hi, good afternoon. I'm John from Num Club. My question is actually for both of you. We already know that you're like the hottest couple today. But we want it to come from you. What makes the Jadine partnership really good?
Yung mga fans nag-react, JD. With JD. What makes it really work? Why is there so much chemistry, I guess?
We've been asked this question many times.
We really don't know. Parang I think it's just, I don't know bakit ba.
Like when you look at each other, alam nyo na, gano'n? Parang...
We can't explain why our chemistry is like that. I mean, we can't explain why we make people connect.
Okay.
Siguro we should ask the fans.
Naku, ang haba na sagot niyan. Ang daming
As in,
sasagot
so
niyan.
many fans. Siguro because of the chemistry.
And there are some things, diba Risa, there are some things you can't explain eh.
Yes eh.
Talagang they fall into place.
Hindi mo kayang i-explain talaga. But you know na it works na lang eh.
Very natural.
Yes, and it's very unexplainable. So, alright.
And we should be thankful that it works kasi.
And we love it.
We do.
Thank you po.
Swerte natin. Swerte natin.
Okay, we'll make room for maybe last two.
Two more questions.
Last two. Hi sir. Meron siyang kinacapture na video.
Okay, hashtag sir, don't
Of
forget the
course,
hashtag.
hashtag CBM Moment and hashtag Jollibee, or JD for Jollibee, your name?
I am Albert